Hi everyone, welcome back to Vihan's Cooking World. Today we're gonna make one special dish. It's called Maagi Omelette and it's very easy to do. These are the ingredients. 1 Maagi with its powder, some onions and 1 green chili, 1 egg, some salt and pepper powder. First, you have to put water into the Maagi. So we're gonna do it. And cook it for 4 minutes. So let's do it. While the Maagi is cooking, we can prepare the masala. Now I'm going to add this masala and beat the egg. So let's do it. Now we're going to add salt and pepper and onions and green chili to our mixer and then mix it. Oh. Now this part. Now let's mix it. Now the Maagi is cooked and we drained all the hot water. So now let's add our egg mixture. Now we have to beat it up. Now let's cook it. We put oil in a small pan and now we just have to wait for it to heat up. Now the pan is hot, so let's add our noodles. See, it looks so yummy. After cooking one side, you have to flip it to the other side. Look how delicious this is. I really want to eat it. Now let's eat it. Super awesome and delicious. You should try this easy peasy recipe. And thank you for watching Vihan's Cooking World. Please like and subscribe. See you later.